My name is Carly. I live in Prior Lake, Minnesota for the last 2 years. I have a little dog, Tucker, who runs around our driveway a lot, which is really cute. So our driveway was in a little rough condition. There was a big lip from the driveway to the garage floor, which, made a big bump every time you would drive in the driveway. The process was super easy when they were here. I think they were here for like an hour or two, and they were quiet and they were clean and everything went super well, and it was just a super smooth process. And I was really surprised at how fast I could use a driveway after. Like later that afternoon, I was able to drive in, park my car in the garage. It was super easy. I thought it would have been a lot longer, but it was very simple and super fast. The apron looks so great. Like there's no cutouts. It's just all smoothed out and it looks really nice. When I was getting estimates for comparing like the repair versus like a completely new driveway, it was a fraction of the price. It was a no-brainer to get just our apron fixed, and it was super easy and super smooth.